I hope you understand in lecture 1. Now we are going to start lecture 2. What is input device? The device through which we enter data and instruction are called input device. The most commonly used input device is the keyboard. The other input devices are mouse, trackball and light pen, which do not require typing to input data. There are also called pointing device. We can select any item on the screen by pointing and clicking on it. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter data and instruction into the computer by typing. Navigation key, arrow key, home and page up, page down, and control key, alt, window logo key, escape. Mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device with two or three buttons on its top. It is used to control the movement of a pointer. It is also used to point and select the object and open file folder. A mouse is used to draw picture. Microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Sound card enables the computer to record sound input from a microphone connected to the computer. Apart from recording sound in computer, a microphone is used in many applications such as telephone, tape recorder, karaoke system, hearing aid. Telephone, tape recorder, karaoke system, hearing aid. Touchpad. Touchpad is used instead of a mouse on the laptop mouse. It is a touch sensitive pad. You can control the movement of the pointer on the screen by moving the finger on the touchpad. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a computer screen which is sensitive to the touch. We can select the object directly by the touching with finger without using any pointing device. I give you example: ATM machine, cell phone, light pen. It is quite similar to a mouse except that it allows you to point to the object display on the screen or draw directly on it. Light pen is only used with CRT monitor. CRT full form cathode ray tube. Okay, now it is mainly used by engineer, fashion designer or architect. Digital camera. A digital camera is used to take photograph and record video. This is the photograph and this is a record video. Photo video taken with a digital camera are stored in a memory chip inside the camera. Then the digital camera is plugged into the computer and the image video are transferred to the computer for storing, editing and printing. Web camera. A web camera is a device connected to the computer for capturing still image and live video. Web camera is primarily used to share picture and have live chat with a friend and relative using internet. Joystick. A joystick has a lever that moves in all directions and control the movement of the pointer on the screen. It has button called trigger that are used to click and double click. It is mostly used while playing game. Gamepad. A gamepad is used while playing game. It is held in two hands and thumb are used to provide input. Scanner. The most commonly used scanner is the flatbed scanner, which has a flat tray with a glass pane and a covering lid similar to a photostat machine. There are three types of scanner: flatbed scanner, sheet fed scanner, handheld scanner. Fat file. Dr. Engelbart is the inventor of the computer mouse. Trackball. What is it? Trackball? It is similar to a mouse and can be used in its place. It has a ball on its top. To move the pointer on the screen, roll the ball with your finger. Roll the ball with your finger. What is a barcode scanner? It is used to scan the printed barcode present on the various product. It can be seen in shop, mall.